Hello, this is James from Sales Team 6, back with another helpful video to advance your selling skills. This time, I will very briefly explain to you how anyone can solicit customers who speak Spanish. A very basic technique will be discussed to help you get started with signing them up for a store credit card. One thing to keep in mind, just change the word store when I say it later on to your own store name. To maximize effectiveness, practice the Spanish pronunciations whenever you can. Better yet, write them down somewhere and speak them out loud multiple times. This video has 3 parts. Part 1, asking them if they would like to apply. Part 2, motivation for applying. And finally, Part 3, bonus phrases. It is recommended to take notes on everything about to be said. Are you ready? Let's get started. Part 1. How to ask customers if they would like to apply for a store credit card in Spanish. Would you like to apply for a store credit card? In Spanish, ¿Te gustaría aplicar por una tarjeta de crédito de store? Now, on to the next part. Part 2. Percentages they can save by applying for a store credit card in Spanish. You could save 20%. In Spanish, Podría ahorrar 20%. Next percentage. You could save 25%. In Spanish, Podría ahorrar 25%. Next percentage. You could save 30%. In Spanish, Podría ahorrar 30%. Next percentage. You could save 35%. In Spanish, Podría ahorrar 35%. Remember to combine the question from Part 1 with one of the percentages from Part 2. Now, Part 3, bonus phrases. I have prepared for you a few fun sayings you can tell people or ask them. These will be random, but for the sake of speaking Spanish, why not give it a go? First bonus phrase. You look good. In Spanish, tú luces bien. Second bonus phrase. Would you like a bag? In Spanish, ¿Te gustaría una bolsa? Tip. This one is especially handy for cashiers or anyone living in a place that charges money for plastic bags. Third bonus phrase. Would you like a cookie? In Spanish, ¿Te gustaría una galleta? Tip. Pronounce L's like J's. To conclude things, anyone can learn simple Spanish for solicitation. It does not take long to do, and with practice you can become very proficient at doing so. Learning basic Spanish can be a game changer for getting more customers to apply for a store credit card and beyond. Thank you for watching.
Sales Team 6. In sales we trust.